Shoaib Malik. Shoaib Malik is a Pakistani cricket player and former captain. He made his one-day international debut in 1999 against the West Indies and his Test debut in 2001 against Bangladesh. He has taken over 100 ODI wickets and has a batting average in the mid-30s in both Test and ODI cricket. His bowling action has come under scrutiny, particularly his deuce, but he has had elbow surgery to correct this. Malik was ranked second behind teammate Shoaib Malik in the ICC ODI all-rounder rankings in June 2008. In March 2010, he received a one-year ban from international cricket from the Pakistan Cricket Board (PCB). The ban was overturned 2 months late. Shoaib Malik and Sania Mirza was seen as the guest appearance along with 11 couples for the first few episodes in BIOGRAPHY. Shoaib Malik was born on February 1, 1982, Sialkot, Punjab, Pakistan. He first played tape ball cricket in the streets as a child. He began to take playing cricket seriously in 1993-94 when he attended Imran Khan's coaching clinics in Sialkot. He began as a batsman, only developing on his bowling later. He used to get in trouble with his family for playing cricket, as they wanted him to focus on his education. In 1996, Malik attended trials for the U15 World Cup. He was selected in the squad for his bowling. Personal profile name Shoaib Malik. Birthday / date of birth February 1, 1982. Age 33 years. Height 1.82 meters. Occupation cricketer. Batting style right-handed. Role all-rounder. Status married. Wife / spouse Sania Mirza. Latest news. As per the latest reports, Pakistani cricketer Shoaib Malik along with his tennis star wife Sania Mirza has been approached for Sony Entertainment Television's upcoming new couple reality show titled A Guest Power Couple. The show will be hosted by Bollywood's amazing Jogi Boss and Malika Arora Khan. Sources shared that the makers are keen to rope in Sania and Shoaib, who were already seen in dance reality show BIOGRAPHY. Shoaib Malik shook legs with his wife Sania Mirza in Indian dance reality show BIOGRAPHY. Shoaib and Sania appeared as a guest in the initial few episodes and danced on hit Bollywood numbers. Personal life. In 2008, media reports in Pakistan surfaced that Malik has married Aisha Siddiqui, a woman from Hyderabad, India, on June 3, 2002. Malik denied these allegations, saying his marriage plans with the woman did not go through because of the lack of consensus between both the families. In April 2010, Siddiqui's family released Shoaib Aisha marriage certificate. Later, Malik confirmed his marriage with Siddiqui and signed the divorce papers. On April 12, 2010, he married Indian tennis player Sania Mirza in an Islamic wedding ceremony at the Takrishna Hotel in Hyderabad, India. Malik is now based in Dubai. Marriage. Shoaib, former Pakistan cricket captain who got married to his lady love, who is tennis star from India Sania Mirza. They both tied the knot on April 12, 2010 and are now a perfect. It could be called as one step towards maintaining good relations between India and Pakistan.